This is our newly 192ch DMX controller, and the total number of channels is 192. It can control 12 DMX fixtures with 16 channels. On the front panel, there are 5 operation mode buttons, 2 page buttons, 8 channel faders, 4 function buttons, 2 speed and cross faders, and 12 number buttons. These 12 buttons can represent 12 DMX fixtures or 12 scenes or 12 chases. On the rear panel, there is an XLR 3-pin signal output, and the power input can be directly connected to the 110 voltage per 6 Hz via a standard IEC power cable. All functions of the console are controlled by a powerful chip, very stable. With the function of running after power on, we can use it to run some scenes or chase even a sound-activated program by powering up the controller. This console also has an amazing function. It can copy data to another console, avoid the hassle of repetitive programming, and also the new programming methods and concepts make our programming work more convenient. First, turn on the console. The manual button indicator is on. For example, press the number button 1 to select the first fixture and then press page 1 button. Press some faders. The first digit on the screen will show the number of the channel being operated, but the digit starts from 0. Actually, the digit 0 means CH1. The last 3 digits represent the value of this channel. Now, the faders on page 1 will correspond to CH1 to CH8 channels. And press the page 2 button. It will correspond to CH9 to CH16 channels. Press the last number button 12 to select the 12th fixture and then press page 1 button. It corresponds to CH177 to CH184 channels. Press the page 2 button again. It corresponds to CH185 to CH192 channels. Each type of fixture has its channel table. The power light we demonstrate this time has 8 channels. Set the DMX address code of the power light to 001. Connect the light to our console with an XLR cable, and press number button 1 and page 1 on the console panel. According to the channel table of the fixture, the first fader controls the total dimming. The second fader controls red dimming. The third fader controls green dimming. The fourth fader controls blue dimming. And the fifth fader controls white dimming. Now push the first fader to the top and try the second fader. We get red. Try the third fader. We get green. Try the fourth fader. We get blue. Try the fifth fader. We get white. Not only that, we can also mix these colors faders at will to get the color we want. The value of all channels is 0-255. The higher the value, the brighter. We can store 100 scenes from 0 to 99, and scenes from 0 to 11 can be called by the number buttons from 1 to 12. First, press and hold the scene button until its indicator light starts to blink slowly. It means it is in edit mode. Also, the LED screen will display N-00. The digit N means no, so the scene 0 is empty. Press the number button 1 to select the first fixture. At the same time, we must make sure that we have set the DMX address code of the power light to 001. Push up the CH1 dimming channel and select the color we want. For example, CH2 is red, so we can push the CH2 to the brightest we want, and then press and hold the Save button until the screen displays Y-00. The digit Y means yes. Now we have already saved the red scene to scenes 0 or number button 1. Now we can continue to save other scenes in the same way. Press the scene forward button. The screen will display N-01 and push the CH3 to the brightest we want. Then press and hold save button until the screen display Y-01, which means we have already saved the green color to scenes 1 and number button 2. Press the forward button. The screen display N-02. Push the CH4 to the brightest we want. Then press and hold the save button until the screen display Y-02, which means we have already saved the blue color to scenes 2 and number button 3. Press the forward button. The screen display N-03. Push the CH5 to the brightest we want. Then hold the save button until the screen display Y-03, which means we have already saved the white color to scenes 3 and the number button 4. Now we can press and hold the scene button again until we enter the running mode. Press the number button 1. Light turns red. Press the number button 2. Light turns green. Press the number button 3. Light turns blue. Press the number button 4. Light turns white. If we want to cancel the scene, we can press the number button again, and then we can see the indicator of the number button will light off. Or we can press the blackout button to close the DMX output for all connected devices. The controller can store 12 chases, and the chase from 1 to 12 can be called by the number buttons from 1 to 12. Before starting, we must make sure that many scenes have been stored in the console. We can see we have stored many scenes. Now let's do it. First, hold the chase button until its indicator light starts to blink slowly. Now the screen will display CHA, which means that we are in edit mode. We can select any number button to save a chase, such as the button 1. The screen will display 00 point dash. The first 2 digits correspond to the step of the chase. One chase can reach up to 100 steps. The last 2 digits correspond to the scene we store in this step. Press the scene forward button to scene 1. The screen will display 00.01. Now we have taken scene 1 as the first step of this chase. Then press the step forward button to the second step. Choose scene 2 by pressing scene forward button. The screen will display 01.02. Now we have taken scene 2 as the second step of this chase. Then press step forward button to the third step. Choose scene 3 by pressing scene forward button. The screen will display 02.03. We have already taken scene 3 as the third step of this chase. Then press step forward button to fourth step. Choose scene 4 by pressing scene forward button. The screen will display 03.04. Now we have taken scene 4 as the fourth step of this chase. It is very easy to create a chase without the blank limit of the old 192 console. Now we press and hold the chase button again until we enter the running mode. Press the number button 1 to run the chase. There are 2 faders on the far right side of the console. Adjust the speed and crossfaders to reach the desired transitional times between steps. Press the music button. The LED indicator will light up. The chase will run to the sound by using the built-in microphone. Press and hold the scene button until to edit mode. The screen will display Y-00. We will copy scene 0 to scene 11. First, hold the copy button until the indicator lights up. Then, press the scene forward button until the screen shows N-11. Then hold the copy button again until the screen shows Y-11. It means we have already copied scene 0 to scene 11. Hold the delete button until getting the screen shows N-11, which means you have already deleted the scene 11. Then hold the chase button until to edit mode. Select one chase you want. For example, press number button to select chase 1. The screen will display 00.01. Press and hold the delete button for 1 second. The indicator will light up, which means we have already deleted the first step, and the second step becomes the first step. If we want to delete the whole chase, press and hold the delete button for 3 seconds until the screen shows 00. Now the entire chase has been deleted. In some cases, we need to clear all the data in the console. First, we should power off the console. Then we press the delete button and then power on the console. The screen will flash quickly for about 2 seconds. Then the screen will display 0.000. After that, all data in console is cleared. This is an amazing function. Set a program to run after power on. This function is mainly used for occasions that we do not require personnel to control each time, such as environment lighting, street scenes, square atmosphere lighting, building lighting, and so on. Every time the power is turned on, the console will automatically run the chase or scene that has been set. Let's try it. First, run the scene or chase we like. For example, press the chase button. Then press number button 1. You can see the chase is running. Press and hold the save button. Now be careful. You will see a little blink on the screen. Power off the console and power on again. Chase 1 is running. If you want to get a sound-activated chase, just press the music button and get the indicator light on. Then, press and hold the save button until getting a little blink. Power off the console and power on again. The chase 1, which is sound-activated, is running. We get one console A, one console B, and one XLR cable, which is male to male. Power on a console A and console B. Press the scene on both consoles. Press all number buttons on both consoles. There are many scenes in console A, but the console B is empty. We will copy the date from console A to console B. First, connect the two consoles with the XLR cable. Then power off to both. Hold the scene backward button and then power on until get a screen shows SE in console A, which means sender. Press and hold the scene forward button and power on until getting the screen shows RE in console B, which means receiver. And we can wait for a moment. The screen of console B will display end. Now it is good to go. Then turn off the console B power and turn it on again. The date from console A has been copied to console B.